Allow your muscles to expand, soften, lengthen, release the tension, let go. Deep breath in, inhale. Open up that leg out to the side. Hold it 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Straighten the leg, push into it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, release. That's all I have for you today, guys. Good job. That was a good stretch session. Thank you for joining me for Stretch Mess. I so appreciate you guys. Let's close off, practice together with a deep breath in. I love this part of class. And hands to heart center. Bow forward in gratitude. Namaste. I love you guys. I hope you're enjoying your holiday season.